Okay, we're gonna be walking down this street. It's called Estrada Adolfo Loureiro. So we're basically gonna walk all the way down that way, and we're kind of coming in this kind of heavy Macau area where there's Kung Hospital down that way. That's the name of that street. There's kind of a cool colonial building right there that we should probably check out, and kind of lots of cool little balconies that you can see on both sides, rooftops as well. And I'm with my boy right here. Yeah. All right. So what we're gonna do is go down that way. You ready for it? Which way? You want to go that way? But we got to go that way. That way? Okay, well, we'll decide in a second. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, which way are we gonna go? Let's go that way. So I guess we gotta go down that street, but I guess we could go down this way for a little bit. So you wanna go down this way, okay? Well, let's go down this way then. We'll see what the fuss is all about. See what the exciting thing is. But actually, we gotta go that way though. But we'll come down a little bit. There's like, there's some places here called Dongdaemun Fashion Korea and Nude Kama, which I think is probably Korean as well, because I think that seems like, I used to live in Korea and it sounds like kind of like a fashion name as well. Okay. So which way are we gonna go? Well, what's down there? What's down there that we're gonna see? What are we gonna see down there? I know, but what are we gonna see? What are we gonna see down this way? What are we gonna do? What's down here? Hey, come here, come here, come here. Come here. What's down here? What's down here that we're gonna see? What? See what? What are we gonna see? What are we gonna see? What? You said see. I don't know what. I know you want to go that way, but what do you want to do down there? Let's check this out real quick. I want to show this one because this kind of has all these really cool stairs like this. It goes all the way up like that. And you got them all the way down, so this little stairwell. And actually this has the same name as the other one. Some kind of cool balconies in here. It's kind of interesting they got all this empty space. So we're gonna make the boy happy because we're gonna go down in this way a little bit. And you can kind of see all these, but there's actually an entrance out of here. So we're gonna go down to the patio right here, Alfonso Loureiro, but those look really cool. And I think this whole thing is a patio, so I think this one is the ending spot, and then this is an ending spot too. So actually we can't go any further than this spot right here. I was hoping we could, but we cannot. So we have to go back, and that's kind of our space here. I think these are all fire escapes actually. So I think if they had a fire, they can run down the side, but there must be an entrance on the other side because I don't think there's anyone on this side. So anyways, this is a little patio of the same name of our street. And I know the boy wants to go the opposite way of the way that we're going to go. So we'll just accommodate it briefly. And we'll just kind of see. But what we really got to do is go the other way. That's kind of a cool spot too, that big balcony like that. Yeah, actually that one, that one right there on the second floor used to be, that used to have tons of couches and furniture. It looks like they're moving everything out of there. It's interesting. Okay, so what we're gonna do to accommodate the boy is we're gonna cross this one. We're gonna try to cross this one. Then we're gonna try to see where we are exactly. So I think this one, Adolfo Loureiro. So that's actually the same one. So maybe we'll just come down real quick. We'll just go through. Today's a Sunday, so we actually have like a ton of people in the parks. Like a lot of domestic helpers, but other people too, Filipinos, Burmese, everybody. So what we're gonna do is try to go around. We're gonna go down this way. Yeah, and actually there's like a ton of people everywhere, so we're just gonna walk all the way down through this whole park here. Yeah, today's a Sunday, so it's like a pretty popular day. I'm just gonna walk all the way through it. I guess it's kind of interesting to come down this way. So let me just see here. So I think our street's gonna end. Let's just walk down it a little bit further. Then we're gonna go see what this street name is. So I think this will have. I think this might not be the same one, anyways. Where's my boy? What do you think? Go that way? Yeah. I don't want to go that way. He's just gonna lead me to. Usually, if you let him lead you somewhere, he's gonna lead you to either like chocolate or a train. And he has like all of his favorite. I don't get him chocolate or anything like that, but that's what he's searching for. I don't eat chocolate myself, so. Okay, so that's Rua de Barca. So we're actually on a separate street, but we're still so I think this is where Barca converges with the other one. So I think this one is the Target Street. We got a ton of people hanging out in here, of course. Let's see here. And we're gonna walk all the way down. I think some of those girls, I think a lot of times in this area, I think they're like Burmese or Indonesian and sometimes Filipino. Those balconies. So that's our Target Street right there. Estrada de Adolfo Loureiro. And we are going to go across. I kind of want to get over there, but there's Estrada. So yeah, you could get the boy turned around. It's just, he did have something in his mind that he was looking for. He loves trains and he loves like food, like milk tea, especially like liquids too, like milk tea. So he's probably leading me to a favorite milk tea shop. But actually, I was kind of accommodating too to go all the way back that way because we actually got to go all the way this way. Okay. Let me just see. Okay, I kind of want to get across the street here. I'll tell you why in a second, but there's this colonial house that I want to capture. That's right to the left. Check out those balconies too. Those are, it's like a long balconies. Interesting. So to the right is this building that I kind of want to capture because it's got those colonial parts. So there's a newspaper stand right here. And now we can see it here. So this is like something from 150 years ago. This really beautiful colonial house, and yeah, I think this is maybe connected to Sun Yat-sen. Come out of the way. So I think that's maybe connected to Sun Yat-sen. Oops, sorry. He's standing in the middle of the sidewalk. so people are trying to get through, so I had to move them over a little bit. Sidewalks are so narrow, so he's not always aware of that, you know, like, that he's blocking space with people. Okay, there's a little bakery right there. Let's try to go around this way. See if we can. But actually, it's not just him. It's just a lot of people block the sidewalks because they're so narrow. Not just my boy. Okay, so we're gonna keep on strolling down our target street. I think her clothing was maybe, I don't know, it's either Burmese or Indonesian, but there's a lot of Indonesians and Burmese in this area. They got an outdoor cafe right there, El Beige. Got some kind of cool stuff down that way. And we're gonna keep on going down. Right here is this giant park. The name of the park is Loureiro Garden. Loureiro Lake Garden, I believe. I do like to go in there, but I'm with my boy and it'll be a totally different video and he'll want to run in. So we're just going to try to peek in from this side here. But we're on Adolfo Loureiro Road. And we're just going to walk up to this space right here. But you can see this garden right here. So there's a beautiful garden. And if you go all the way in, it goes all the way down like a giant square. And it has like turtles, all kinds of cool stuff. And then here is a nice shop, kind of Hong Kong style shop. So that's it all the way over there. And right here is where they have tea ceremonies. Sorry. So there's a tea ceremony shop right there. So that's gonna be kind of part of the experience of being in that park. But we're gonna keep on going because we got a lot of other cool stuff to see, and I'm actually got to get somewhere as well. It's top sick. Some beautiful colonial buildings too. Okay, so I believe that the end of our road's gonna come up here, so we'll have to cross over. Some nice balconies up there too. They're kind of cool. So we'll have to cross over here, and then we have to so come on over this way. And then this actually follows all the way down. So that is that's a tea ceremony, and that's a whole park that direction. And we got to go down this way, and we're also going to try to capture a little bit of that building right there. So that was our target street right here, all the way down, which also included this. And that's all top sick. But we actually have to cross the road, so we're gonna do that as well. Let's see if we can kind of highlight some of this. So kind of cool. So yeah, so this is kind of a major one-way street this direction. It's all coming from that. She's running over in the red. Okay. I think the fine for that is something like 200 or 300 a month if you run across like that. So you have to be careful. You can do it, but you can also get a big fine too. So now we're actually on another street, and we're gonna just follow the street up. And the feel of this street is completely different as well. But I'm going to keep the camera going because we're going to go up to something called Victory Park. Okay, Macau. That's an interesting name, Macau. Bubble tea takeaway. Okay, let's just flip this around. There's the boy right there. That's the street that we're just on. Oh, it's still the same. Estrada, Adolfo, Loureiro. So I can see the name. It's still the same name. So basically we just kind of walked all the way down, almost at the beginning of that street, and came all the way up this way. I know we got to get over. Oh, they're going on red light. I thought that was moving. There's a police station there, and we're gonna go through to this Victoria Park as well. Okay. We're gonna go up to that spot as soon as that light turns red. You ready? Ready, buddy? Yeah. Okay. This light's gonna take a long time. So I don't know, I might just end it right here. But yeah, there's a little park right there. Yeah, kind of cool. That's an interesting name, Baby in Progress. So that's for, okay. So what we're gonna do is come up to Victory Park, and then we're gonna be able to overlook everything from up here. Jardim da Victoria. Got a big monument. And there's a college up there too, like a high school college. Another one too, Luis Gonzaga. And that was our street right there. So we had that really beautiful street that was all the way down that way. So we basically came all the way up and made it all the way to Victory Park. So kind of a cool little space. And actually when you're up here, everybody looks pretty small. The light is a little bit saturated today, looks like. Kind of cool space though. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la